आज की इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे पार्ट 2 ऑफ प्रोटीन्स एमसीक्यूज़। इससे पहले भी हम प्रोटीन पर एक वीडियो बना चुके हैं। अगर आपने वो वीडियो नहीं देखी तो उसका लिंक मैं इस वीडियो की डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दूंगा, आपने उस पर क्लिक करके वो वीडियो भी देख लेनी है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, द मोस्ट अबंडेंट प्रोटीन इन द ह्यूमन बॉडी इज़ मायोसिन, एल्बुमिन, कोलेजन, hemoglobin. So correct answer is option C. Collagen is the most abundant protein in human body. Question number 22. Structural protein are globular, fibrous, branched, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Structural proteins are fibrous. Question number 23. The highest concentration of cysteine can be found in melanin, myosin, collagen, keratin. So correct answer is option D. Highest concentration of cysteine is found in keratin. Question number 24. Keratin is synthesized from glycine and ornithine, methionine and glycine, thymine and ornithine, glycine, arginine and methionine. So correct answer is option D. Keratin is synthesized from glycine, arginine as well as methionine amino acid. Question number 25. Hyaline membrane is mainly composed of protein, cholesterol, phospholipid, carbohydrates. So correct answer is option A. Hyaline membrane is formed at the pulmonary surface and it is mainly composed of protein. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. द स्मॉलेस्ट स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट ऑफ प्रोटीन्स आर कॉल्ड पेप्टाइड, प्रोटियोसिस, अमाइनो एसिड्स, पेप्टोन. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी. अमाइनो एसिड आर द स्मॉलेस्ट स्ट्रक्चरल यूनिट ऑफ प्रोटीन. Question number 27. The formation of a protein is a type of dehydration synthesis or dehydration analysis, hydration and synthesis, hydration analysis. So correct answer is option A. Formation of protein is done through a peptide bond and during which water molecule is removed, so it is a dehydration synthesis. Question number 28. The N-hydro bond of proteins are called ester bond, glycosidic bond, diester bonds, peptide bonds. So correct answer is option D. The anhydro bond of proteins are called peptide bonds that are formed between the carboxyl group of one amino acid and amino group of another amino acid. Question number 29. Peptide bond binds molecule of sucrose, amino acid, glucose, none of these. So correct answer is option B. Peptide bond binds molecule of amino acid to form protein. Question number 30. The amino acid are formed during digestion of starch, minerals, proteins, lipids. So correct answer is option C. Amino acid are formed during the digestion of प्रोटीन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ जाने से पहले अगेन मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31. RNA टेक्स पार्ट इन द सिंथेसिस ऑफ DNA, प्रोटीन, कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फैट्स. सो करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी. RNA टेक्स प्लेस इन द टेक पार्ट इन द सिंथेसिस ऑफ प्रोटीन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32. Protein specificity is due to sequence of amino acid, types of amino acid, quantity or time of synthesis. So correct answer is option A. Protein specificity is due to sequence of amino acid in protein. Question number 33. A semi-indispensable amino acid for human consumption is valine, lysine, arginine, leucine. So correct answer is option C. A semi-indispensable amino acid is arginine. In addition to arginine, histidine is also a semi-indispensable amino acid. They can be synthesized by adult but not by child. Question number 34. An enzyme is formed by chemically bonding together amino acids, carbohydrates, lipases, carbon dioxide. So correct answer is option A. chemically amino acid combines to form enzyme. Enzymes are actually proteins, so they are made up of amino acids. Question number 35. Functional protein is collagen, vitamin, osin or enzyme. So correct answer is option D. Enzyme is a functional protein. Question number 36. Casein contained in the milk is fat, carbohydrate, bacterium, protein. So correct answer is option D. Casein that is present in the milk is a protein. Question number 37. Which one is absent in protein? Carbon, phosphorus, nitrogen, sulfur. So correct answer is option B. Phosphorus is normally absent in protein. Question number 38. Which one is not a protein? Myosin, actin, albumin, hematin. So correct answer is option D. Hematin is not a protein, rather it is a iron containing pigment which inhibits the synthesis of porphyrin and promotes the synthesis of globin. Question number 39. Which one are the most diverse molecules of the cell? Carbohydrate, protein, lipids, mineral salts. So correct answer is option B. Protein are the most diverse molecule within the cell. Question number 40. Which one yield from the protein on hydrolysis? Fatty acid, nucleic acid, amino acid, none of the above. So correct answer is option C. Amino acid are yield from the protein on hydrolysis.